Maintaining a clean and organized living environment is crucial for the health and well-being of our clients. In this section, we'll discuss various cleaning tasks and best practices to ensure that you provide a comfortable and hygienic space for your clients. When it comes to cleaning a client's home, be sensitive and respectful for their personal space. Start by cleaning out the fridge to dispose of any expired or spoiled food. Always ensure you have the client's permission before disposing of anything. The microwave should be cleaned out regularly to prevent food buildup. Wipe down the cabinets to keep them free from dust and grime. Remember to clean the lint tray in the dryer after each use to ensure it functions efficiently. Washing and folding laundry is another essential task, as it helps keep the living environment tidy and organized. In the living areas, vacuum under the couch and cushions to remove hidden dirt and debris. Wipe down windowsills and clear out cobwebs and corners to keep the home dust-free. Changing sheets and making the bed not only enhances cleanliness, but also provides a fresh and comfortable place for the client to rest. Dusting blinds and cleaning inside kitchen drawers are small tasks that make a big difference in maintaining a clean home. Wipe down the trash can to prevent odors and bacteria buildup. Taking out the trash regularly is crucial to keep the environment sanitary. Always ensure pathways are clear of trip hazards to maintain a safe living space. Watering houseplants helps keep the home environment lively and healthy. Sweep the porch to remove dirt and leaves that can be tracked indoors. Preparing the client's next meal and doing the dishes or putting them away can significantly ease their daily routine. By following these cleaning ideas and solutions, you'll contribute to creating a healthier, safer, and more pleasant living environment for your clients.